Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ShareASale affiliate dashboard for product link setup. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the ShareASale affiliate dashboard for product link setup, start by visiting the ShareASale website. Log into your ShareASale account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Links tab on the top menu. Select Merchants from the drop-down options. Find the merchant whose products you want to promote and click on their name. Once on the Merchants page, look for the Product Data section. Click on the Get Links button associated with the merchant. You will be directed to a page displaying available product links. Select the specific product you want to promote by clicking on its name. On the product link page, you will see the link and promotional materials. Copy the HTML code provided for the product link. If you need a deeper customization of the link, adjust any parameters as needed. Next, navigate to the platform where you want to implement this link. This could be a website, blog, or social media profile. Paste the copied HTML code into the appropriate section of your platform. Make sure to preview the link to ensure it appears correctly. Once everything looks good, save your changes to the platform. Check your link by clicking on it to ensure it redirects to the intended product page. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a product link using the ShareASale affiliate dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.